Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our Siegmund Professional Screw Clamp. Whether you have a system 16, 22, or 28, this is most likely your most utilized tool in your shop. But did you know this has a lot of hidden features that makes it even more versatile than you thought? The professional screw clamps are plasma nitrated to keep weld spatter from sticking, rust, corrosion, as well as prevention against scratches. This is important for the side knurling. If spatter was to stick to it, it could ruin the slide action of the clamp, leaving you to file out the spatter. That's why Siegmund has chosen to armor up their accessories as well as their tables. They're one of the few in the industry doing this to save you time and money and extend the life of your tools. They have replaceable shafts and are fully rebuildable. If you damage them with a grinder, you can simply replace each piece instead of investing in a whole new clamp. They have swappable ends that can pop off with a replaceable O-ring. This is why it is important to keep the whole bores clean from grinder dust and spatter. This will extend the life of the O-rings on the tooling. Each professional screw clamp comes with plasma nitrated prisms, but also are available as stainless steel and polyamide. Also available on weldingtablesandfixtures.com are pressure balls and duo prisms in 3 different materials. You can remove the prism and install them into the table, allowing you to lift tubing off the table. Pop out the threaded bushing with a tap on the handle, and now you can use the screw clamp parts in other ways. One of the ways you can reuse these tools is pop the threaded bushing into a square and stop, and thread in the handle. Now you have a horizontal clamping without having to buy new tooling. There's a ton of uses for the professional screw clamps. If you find a new way to use the accessory, we want to see it. Tag us on Instagram and Facebook and show us what you've come up with, and maybe it'll end up in our next tips and tricks video. Thank you guys for checking out this video on this Siegmund Professional Screw Clamp. We've linked the system 16, 22, and 28 screw clamps in the video's description, as well as some accessories that makes this even more versatile. So make sure to check those out, as well as our social media, where you'll see new products as well as some customer builds. We ask you to stay safe and keep on fabricating.